Hello loves, welcome back to aking channel. Ayan, for today's video is mag-try and hair color. So, ang mag-try and hair color natin ay mga country shirts. So, ayan. Ngayon lang ako yung makakapag-try on. So, pangilitan natin. Umpisahan na natin yun. Bago ko i-try and crush it, so i-flex ko muna sa inyo isa-isa. So, ayan. Meron tayo kulay gray. So, ayan. Pasensya na ako basic ko nilamanit lang na ako. So, okay. Kulay gray. Malambot yung tela niya pala, guys. Tapos, ang size niya ay double XL, extra XXL. Ganun. So, ito yung kanyang likod. Ito yung kanyang likod. So, ayun lang. So, let's say tayo. Tapos, meron tayong kulay pink. Siyempre, lahat size nito ay double XL. Ito yung harap. Ito yung likod. So, yung loob. Kahina yung kanyang loob talaga. So, very stretchable talaga. So, mix na tayo. So, ito mabilis lang ating plan. Kasi kakaunti lang naman. Tapos meron tayong color, yellow. So, ayan. Nabili ko pala ito sa halata. 100 plus, di pa abot ng 200. So, ayan. Yung kulay yellow. Parang kulay yellow, hindi siya stretchable. Pero okay lang, try natin kung kasi double XL naman siya. Kasi yung tatak pala niya ay Sabrina. Hindi ko alam eh. Pero kasi mura yung binili ko. Hindi ko sa akala nito. So, yan. Meron tayo pang kulay. Ano pa tayong kulay? Gray. So, yan. Ano siya? Light green. Light green. Ganun. So, ito yung harap. Ito yung likod. Okay, ito yung loob. Okay naman yung kanya niya. Ngayon. Kasi may palatis. So, bigyan ko na lang yung okay naman. Wala siyang himul-mul. Yun. So, next na tayo. Kulay green. Light green. Parang ganun. Ang makakulay. Presyo na kayo. Hindi ako masabi sa kulay. So, yan. Ganda ng kulay. Parang pang-boy na ako. Parang pang-boy na yung pero okay lang. At least, diba? Panloob lang. Hindi ko. Okay naman. Wala mga nalilipan. Ito yung likod. Ay, loob. Sorry. So, ayan. Flex ko na sa inyo lahat. Ano pang tayo natin? So, ito natin ito.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine,